So we're going to the famous FMG Stadium of here in Hamilton. So dito naglalaro ng rugby. Yung mga different regional teams nila like yung mga Warriors, yung Hamilton Chiefs, saka marami pang regional teams. So dito naglalaro rin yung All Blacks nila. Yun naman yung national team nila. Parang Gilas Pilipinas natin. So this is the stadium. So yung usual game ay nangyayari Sabado, Linggo. So usually yung mga pumupunta, mga pamilya, so they really cheer for their team. And it's a big deal kasi madalang lang maglaro yun. Pero ang ganda ng stadium. So sa dingding ng stadium nakalagay yung history ng games and the stadium. Ano yung mga nangyaring important events. Parang Araneta rin no?